Happy holidays, gents. How you doing? Yeah, we haven't been posting that much, but like I said before, we have a day job, and our day job is industrial design stuff. So if you guys are interested in how we did this, going from Blender, how we got it prepped in Blender, and then how we went to an Unreal Engine and got it ready for that and made it. If you guys are interested in that, please feel free to comment below. If there is enough interest, we will gladly make a series out of this from A to B to show you how we got it looking this juicy, this tasty. All right. Just to give some quick background, we spend the majority of our time, especially me, in Blender. So a lot of the model prep, mesh prep was done in Blender, and we had a base model with C5, and we just took it and worked from there. Yeah, initially this model was made to give a model or a visual stance on how it looks if you make a wide body, because it's a project I am going to attempt to do in real life, so I wanted to have a nice base plan for it, and this model was just to attempt that. And also the same for the headlights. So we're going to be moving forward with this design approach anyway. Whether we document it or not is a different story, so we'll see. Yeah, the main reason why we haven't been really hitting heavily on industrial design stuff is because of how strong AI is. So we wanted to make sure that we're focusing on the most relevant stuff instead of focusing on the stuff from the past. So you can say that it'd be nice if we had a nice middle ground where we can focus on the tips and tricks that we use now, and then focus on the things that were obsolete, all of it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. I don't know.
I say men love women. But even more than that, men love cars.